Hi, my dear students. How are you all? Hope all are fit and fine at your home. Did you learn the poem My Garden? Who is the poet? What's the name of the poet? Yes, Swapna Datta. Today we will learn the exercise of that poem. Okay? Children, take page number 46. Page number 46, comprehension. Which lines from the poem tell us? Which line from the poem tell us? Here are the questions and what is the answer? Which lines tell us about that one? That we have to, those lines we have to write here as answers. Okay, let's check first one. That the speaker wants to spend a long time in her garden. Put your pointer there below question number 1. That the speaker wants to spend a long time in her garden. Which lines tell us about that? Okay, now come to our poem and check. First stanza, last 2 lines. I love to be there all the time and spend just hours and hours. Hours and hours means what? Long time. So, the first question's answer is, I am writing here only answer. Okay. I love to be. I love to be there all the time, there all the time, all the time, and spend just hours and hours, hours and hours. Okay, that is the answer of the first question. I love to be there all the time and spend just hours and hours. It means that the speaker wants to spend a long time in the garden. Okay, now question number 2. That the grass is soft and green. That the grass is soft and green. That is the meaning of those lines. We have to find out those lines. Okay. Now, come again to our poem and listen here. There is a lawn of velvet grass, so soft and oh so green. Okay. So, second answer is third stanza, first 2 lines. There is a lawn of velvet grass, so soft and oh so green, It means there is a lawn of velvet grass so soft and oh so green. That the grass is soft and green. Okay, you understood how to write the answers. Now let's complete these 3 in our notebook. Okay. Children, now listen here. These 2 lines we finished. That the speaker wants to spend along this one and that the grass is soft and green. Now remaining questions, listen. That there are many sparrows in the garden. That's the meaning of that line. That there are many sparrows in the garden. Which line it is? And sparrows, sparrows everywhere. And sparrows, sparrows everywhere means there are many sparrows in the garden. Understood? Now, fourth one. That the butterflies are flying freely. That the butterflies are flying freely. This sentence is the meaning of that line. Which line is that? Yes, here. And butterflies. And butterflies so free. Okay? It means what? That the butterflies are flying freely. Okay. Next, last one. That the squirrel cannot sit still. That the squirrel cannot sit still. What it means? Which line? The frisky squirrel with his nuts. Frisky means we learned. What its meaning? Yes, busy. Cannot sit in one place. Always doing something. That is the meaning of the word frisky. The frisky squirrel with his nuts means the squirrel cannot sit still. Okay. And copy these question and answers in your notebook. Children, now listen, B, think and answer. Why do you think the speaker likes her garden so much? What's your opinion? Why do you think like that? Because her garden is very beautiful, full of flowers, and many animals and birds always visit and spend in her garden, and butterflies are flying in the garden. So it's very beautiful. That's why speaker likes her garden so much. Now see, going further, find words in the poem that rhyme with these words. Rhyming words, before one of the class I explained that rhyming words. What's the meaning of rhyming words? Rhyming words means the end of the words are similar. Pronunciation is similar. For example, tin, win, pin, date, mate. Okay, white, right. Like these words. Cool, pool. Okay, end of the words are pronouncing. The sound is same. These are rhyming words. And here find words in the poem that rhyme with these words. Another words rhyming with these words we have to find out from the poem. Let's check. Yeah, first one is flowers. Flowers. We have to find out. We want to find out the word from the poem. Let's check. Take the poem. Yeah. See here. Flowers. Which word is love or there, time? These are not similar with flowers. Now come to last line and listen here. Hours. Hours. Flowers. Hours. Okay. So that is the rhyming word of flowers. So write here hours. Hours. Now next one is white. White. Again, come here. Second stanza, listen. Third one, third line. Sunflowers looking trim and bright. White, bright. White, bright. Okay. So, the rhyming word of white is bright. Bright. Next one, cool. Cool. See? Pool. Cool. Pool. Okay. Right here, pool. Now we have completed 3 of these words. Now 3 are remaining here. Green, free, you. Now you understood how to find out the words from the poem. Same like that, you find out similar words or rhyming words of these words and write it over here. Okay, complete it. Okay, children, now we completed our poem My Garden and its work also. Okay, thank you so much.